For property owners and facility managers in McLean, maintaining a commercial building is an ongoing investment. From HVAC servicing to exterior repairs, costs can quickly add up, especially when aging windows are part of the equation. If your building still relies on outdated or deteriorating windows, you may be spending far more on maintenance than necessary. Commercial Window Replacement offers a practical, long-term solution that significantly reduces maintenance expenses while improving performance and appearance. The hidden costs of old commercial windows. At first glance, older windows may seem functional enough. However, beneath the surface, they often create ongoing maintenance challenges. Drafts, seal failures, condensation between panes, and deteriorating frames can lead to repeated service calls and temporary fixes. Over time, these minor repairs accumulate into substantial expenses. In McLean's varied climate, with humid summers and cold winters, windows must withstand temperature fluctuations, moisture, and UV exposure. Older materials like untreated wood or outdated aluminum frames can warp, crack, or corrode. This leads to frequent repainting, resealing, or even partial replacements. By upgrading to modern commercial-grade windows, property owners can eliminate many of these recurring issues. Reduced repair and service calls. One of the most immediate benefits of commercial window replacement is the reduction in repair frequency. Modern windows are built with durable materials such as thermally broken aluminum, vinyl, or composite frames designed to resist weather-related damage. High-performance glass units are sealed with advanced technology that minimizes the risk of leaks or fogging. Instead of patching small problems year after year, new windows provide reliable performance with minimal intervention. This allows building managers to shift their maintenance budgets away from reactive repairs and toward proactive property improvements. Lower energy-related maintenance strain. Outdated windows don't just cause visible wear, they also strain your building's mechanical systems. Poor insulation and air leakage force HVAC systems to work harder to maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Over time, this added workload can increase wear and tear on heating and cooling equipment, leading to more frequent servicing and earlier replacements. Energy-efficient commercial windows feature insulated glazing, low emissivity coatings, and improved sealing systems that reduce heat transfer and air infiltration. By stabilizing indoor temperatures, these windows ease the burden on HVAC systems. The result? Fewer breakdowns, reduced servicing needs, and longer equipment lifespan, all contributing to lower overall maintenance costs. Improved moisture control and structural protection. Moisture intrusion is a common issue in commercial properties with aging windows. Water that seeps through compromised seals can damage drywall, flooring, insulation, and even structural components. Mold growth and interior staining add further expense and liability concerns. New commercial windows are engineered to prevent water infiltration through superior sealing and drainage systems. By protecting the building envelope, they reduce the risk of secondary damage that can require costly remediation. Preventing these issues before they start is far more affordable than addressing structural repairs later. Enhanced durability and long-term performance. Modern commercial windows are designed for longevity. Many systems are impact-resistant and require minimal upkeep compared to older materials. Finishes are often factory-applied to resist fading, peeling, and corrosion, eliminating the need for regular repainting or refinishing. For business owners in McLean, this durability translates into predictable costs and fewer disruptions. Tenants and employees experience fewer inconveniences from ongoing repair projects, and your property maintains a polished, professional appearance without constant touch-ups. A smart investment for property owners. While commercial window replacement requires an upfront investment, the long-term maintenance savings make it a financially sound decision. Reduced repair calls, lower HVAC strain, minimized water damage risks, and durable materials all contribute to measurable cost reductions over time. Additionally, new windows enhance curb appeal and property value, which can be especially important in competitive commercial markets. Prospective tenants are more likely to choose buildings that appear modern, energy efficient, and well maintained. Take control of your maintenance budget if you're looking to reduce ongoing building expenses in McLean. Evaluating your current windows is a smart place to start. Commercial window replacement isn't just about aesthetics, it's about improving performance, protecting your property, and lowering maintenance costs year after year. By investing in high-quality, professionally installed windows, you create a more efficient, durable, and cost-effective commercial space that supports your bottom line well into the future.